Welcome back to Tiger Bites. It is the year 2025 and I am kicking it off with a bouillabaisse. Bouillabaisse is a French seafood soup, seafood stew, what have you. You could see this also on a lot of American menus. This is a very inspired dish. My ingredients, I got fennel, which I haven't cooked with much, so I'm excited. I got about 1 stalk of that and some to garnish. 4 yellow Yukon potatoes. I got 1 carrot. I got 4 Roma tomatoes, hand crushed, baby. Little slicing, but mostly hand crushed. I got 2 stalks of celery, 1 yellow onion, 5 garlic cloves. Then I got 2 cans here of fish stock, but I'm also making a little bit of a lobster stock behind me with some leftover shells. I got butter, a baguette, saffron, which I'm super excited to use as well, salt, pepper, thyme, and olive oil just to get into the bottom of that pan. This is gonna be awesome. I love seafood, I love soup, and I'm excited to create a French dish for you. Let's do it. Right now, I got my carrots and potatoes in the pot. I'm just trying to get them cooked a little bit before I add the other ingredients, because if you add the other ingredients too soon, it will not cook evenly. So let this simmer down. Yay! Alright, I'm gonna add the fennel. Celery. And onion. There's just a drizzle of olive oil in there just to keep it from sticking. I also have my oven on at 400 because I'm going to go ahead and get my baguette heated up so I can slice it up and get it all nice and buttery brown. Gonna add the garlic now. It's like the best part of any dish. Add the garlic, and I'm gonna do just a pinch of salt. When I start smelling that garlic getting a little fragrant, we're gonna get that broth going. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna add the fish stock. You're looking at about 4 cups worth. I'm gonna do about 1.5 of the actual fish stock. See how much I get out of this. Oh, I'll add all 2. Because that was about a half a cup in the end. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna bring this up to a simmer, and then I'm gonna add my seasonings. Here we are, here we are, here we are. I'm gonna add saffron, so about a 1/4 teaspoon. So we got a 1/4 teaspoon. About a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna do like a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme and about a teaspoon of pepper. So this dish, like, people do use like what the hell is it called? Absinthe based liqueurs in this dish. They usually will add like a tablespoon or 2. Maybe to give it that black licorice type flavor because it ends up creating something special. But I think the fennel is gonna do that job for me today. It's not required. I was looking everywhere for it, but it's like $80 a bottle. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna get this going. We're gonna let this like simmer for about like 30 minutes because I really want the flavors to absorb. Maybe longer. We'll see. Let's not forget the tomato. What am I thinking? Now we're gonna let it simmer. Oh, so I went ahead and I added cod and lobster. They take just a little longer than the shellfish will take. So it's just about ready to add the shellfish. I could really smell that saffron. Everything is just about ready. I also have my baguette toasting with butter. You could do it with olive oil in the oven or butter, but I wanted to keep a nice like chewy inside and crispy, savory, butterlicious outside. So it's coming along pretty good here. Yes, it is. Oh, I'm so happy. Going to add the mussels and clams now. So I am using frozen mussels, which you could buy by the pack. I mean, I'm talking like, you can get a vacuum sealed in the frozen section, like, of like 50, 60, 70 mussels. We are only using here 2 handfuls of each seafood because we want to be able to taste each one, but at the same time, you don't want to overwhelm the broth. So. I can taste it already. We are finally here. Oui. This dish came out so good. There's the crunch element of the uncooked fennel on top. I added as garnish, but it also adds that nice crunch, as I said. The toast, the bread, you know, with the butter, oh, so good. It's soaking up that soup. It is delicious. It is fragrant. It is divine. The seafood is so tender. I recommend this highly, especially during these sub-zero elements outside right now. So yeah, hope to see you again on Tiger Bites. More to come, baby.
Tiger Bites.